even 10 o'clock and I'm already crying. Beyond this gate, find gardens green and epic roads that fill your dreams.
For the first one, we're gonna enter Super Mario Nintendo World. Keep going. Yes, I've seen so much stuff for this. This doesn't even feel real, man. Annabelle, what do you think of this? This is so cool. Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. It's cool, right? Wait, I saw something for this deck. I don't know if this is real, but I remember someone saying this.
Yeah, it's like Super Mario 64.
If you touch it, it'll morph. Annabelle, try it. You try it. Annabelle.
The clouds and like the clear sky make everything look so much better.
Do it again. Hold up, do it again.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. What's in here? Oops, it's a bomb. That's so cute. Oh, there's more. Whoa, what's in here? Come on. Oh, wait, it's changing. Ah! It's darkness. I don't know. Oh, cool. What is this? Try. I know I don't have the power base. Still need something. Yay! Oh! You gotta keep an eye on these eggs here, though. Okay. Annabelle, how we feeling? Oh, look. It's even got the song. Oh. Oh. It's all glowing and stuff. Hey, Annabelle, look, it's Shy Guys. This is the, oh yeah, you're right. Okay, Super Nintendo World. Dad, what's your opinions? It was fun. It was really fun. Annabelle, what'd you think of the Nintendo World so far?
It was good, yeah.
I know. Mom, how about you?
Oh, yes. You didn't know. Yes, it was wonderful.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yep. All right. So now we're on our way to Monsters. Get back to you. I'm
then.
gonna film you with this one. All right, Monsters. Ready, dude? How cool is this?
you. It's okay. I know, I know. Whoa! Cool! Wow! Jody would lose her mind! Like, this is right up her stuff. Whoa! This is pretty sick. Yeah, right? Oh, more stairs.
Nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing, better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself! That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you when
These two just don't get along.
Just got done writing Frankenstein.
Monsters and Chain.
Monsters and Chain, thank you. So the Frankenstein's monster broke the ride for a brief minute.
Yeah.
When we got on, it was super fun. What'd y'all think?
Awesome.
Yeah, what'd you think, Annabelle? Good one? Love it. All right, so where are we up to next?
I don't know.
Well, it's 11, so a bunch of the stuff should be open now.
Hey! Ain't not bad. I see that you have the button. Is today birthday. You liar! Why must you come in here lying?
It's my celebration.
It's your celebration. It's my birthday, but I'm going to celebrate all week long. Or have you been celebrating for 2 weeks?
Just today.
Just 23rd of this month?
Yes. His is the 28th. That's funny. Making redemption. We're going to Berk. We're going to Berk now. Oh my god, so excited. Ah, Pearl behind me. That's awesome as hell. Ah! It's moving. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Try not to freak out right now. Oh my god. Come on, come on. Oh my god. I know. Yes, I know. And as it stated, I am crying because, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe that I'm here. Oh, this is incredible. And they're playing this song, so that just makes my entire experience even better. So you can see stuff from behind me. Oh my God. Oh, this is incredible. 45 minutes? Oh, this is incredible. Oh my God. So Annabelle, what was the ride we just rode? Annabelle.
That one. HICCUP swing gliders.
Oh, that's HICCUP swing rider. Okay, cool. It's a 45-minute wait. Anyways, so we just rode a really like kind of cute ride. It was adorable, like dragon racing. Also, they are really stabbing my soul right now with playing Forbidden Friendship. But oh my God, look at this. This is incredible. Oh, there's the fire drill. Oh, how to treat your dragon. Yes, they have like a bunch of stuff in there. I think that's also where you do the ritual. The meat hall. Yes. We get to go inside. Wow. Look, the murals. Oh my gosh. There they are. Hey guys.
You like it?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is incredible. It's Cloud Jumper. There you are. I was wondering where you were. Even the pupils get dilated. Hello. Hi. We're about to go see the show, Mom. About to go see the show. The Untamed Dragon. Annabelle, are you guys excited? It's so cool. The stage is amazing. Oh my God, look, it's moving. But yep, I know, scooting over. Look, the map is moving. Everything here is incredible.
It's like all some of the birds like I thought.
Oh man, I know for a fact I'm gonna be crying again. I already have a tissue in my bag, so it's okay.
The other way. See?
Now the other way. Let's see what happens when I spin it the other way. Yeah, that's what happens. Let's do the right way one more time. Seriously? Did it both times. That's funny still though.
Yay.
There we go. Nice. It's Astrid! Stormfly! It's Stormfly and Astrid! Oh my gosh, no way! Oh, that is so cool! We get to meet both of them? You want to know what? I'll take that.
I'm very well. This is your first time meeting Dragon? Yes, it is. Do you learn anything from what HICCUP has done?
How to be gentle, patient, and how to rush into things.
Well, let's see you in action. Go ahead. Ah! Perfect! baggage as you are?
For me, yes.
Okay, very good. Hello! Welcome to Berk. I'm Donk. Is it your birthday? It's your birthday. Oh, Annabelle. Toothless. It's Annabelle's birthday. Give Annabelle a big birthday boy. Good boy. All right, good. Give him that. Might as well as a birthday on. I see him every day. I know they're happy to see you. There you go.
How's it going with TOOTHLESS?
They did so good.
Hey, how did my best bud do? Huh? Were you? Oh, yeah, you don't get used to the fish breath, though. I'm sorry. Well, the HICCUP, you actually used to do over an accident.
Okay.
Needs more sheep fur.
Okay.
One of the best sheep herders around right here. Oh, and happy birthday. No, hey, no, we're not doing the leg thing again. He stole my leg for fetch. It's his favorite.
No, you can't have it like
he's
that.
pouting. You pouting now, huh, bud? Okay, where are you going now, Susan? You pouting? Will you stop? You know what? I see. Okay, we're going to keep doing this, huh? Oh, okay, fine, but... I would be happy to, yeah. All right, but we're going to do one more with you, okay? Okay, good, but big smiles. Here, get a couple. Yes, I appreciate that. Of course.
Okay, we'll go in.
Squeeze on in, birthday girl.
You want to try? Oh my god, I don't even know what to say. We were waiting in line and he left for like a good solid 45 minutes, and then when I went to go meet him, he just walked down and I screamed. I'm like trying very hard not to like fully like bawl, so oh my god, I don't have any words. That was fantastic. No, but he had like the scar and everything, like everything was so perfect.
You didn't have the scar, no.
Best day ever. Okay, Harry Potter is up next. That's Dumbledore's quote. Anyone want to film this for Ava? Oh my gosh! So cute! We are currently in the Mario Kart ride, well, waiting for it, and in Bowser's Castle, pretty much. Throne. Of course, he has Peach's pictures. But yeah, there were a bunch of weather delays, so we decided to pop up in here and do all that stuff. We got done with the show in Harry Potter. Pretty good. Newt Scamander oriented, which I personally love, but honestly, I guess it could be better. Scenery here is pretty cool. Love their attention to details. Finally got to the next room out of like forever of waiting. Cool, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, well, let's get this started. Sick! Oh my gosh! Okay, that is absolutely cool, I think. That is sick, man. Oh my god, right? Oh, that was very cool. It was augmented reality. I won that round. That was so great.
No, hardly hear myself think with all this racket. Hey, you! Don't walk away from me! I done it!
Donkey Kong is finished! Annabelle, how'd you think? Good. It was the main ride she wanted to ride here. Everyone else, what's their opinions? All right! Now, next up, we're gonna go to the wing gliders. See you then. Is it good?
Oh yeah, very much. Careful.
Keep walking. Look at that. That's great. Jesus. Bite it.
Garlic bread.
Is garlic bread?
They're really good.
Looks a lot cooler when it's like dark and stuff. Looks so much better when it's dark. Look at all this. Well, it's not really dark, but you know, still. Constellation Carousel. Annabelle, good way to end the night, right? Good way to end the night? Yeah. Well, I suppose this concludes our day at Epic Universe. Right, Mom? Good way to end the night? Anyways, I suppose this concludes our day. What a day it was. Full of tears and smiles and so many joys. Look at the illusion that this casts. I know, it's crazy. What a day this was. I honestly have no words. Seriously, all of this, incredible. Would 100% do again. But still, this entire day was incredible, and I would 100% do it again. All right, I think that's it for this. Goodbye. We will see you another day.